Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Taylor.
And I'm Jack.
And welcome back to another Smokeshow happy hour, our favorite excuse to day drink. So today, guys, we got a really cool drink coming for you. We have the Elderflower Cucumber Gimlet. Now we're gonna add an extra layer on top of this, and we're gonna smoke it with lavender first.
This drink, Taylor actually put it together, but the lavender inspiration comes from a bar here locally in Charlotte. I had the best gimlet I've ever had with lavender smoke. It was fantastic. So it's a very simple drink. So we're gonna need 3/4 of an ounce of Elderflower Liqueur. We're gonna need 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. And we're gonna need 2 ounces of gin. All right, so the only other thing we're gonna need for this is some fresh cucumber. So this is about 3 inches of a cucumber. I just cut it up. We're gonna throw that into our mixing glass here. I'm gonna start muddling this and measuring our ingredients, and Taylor here is going to smoke the drink with lavender.
I always love smelling our smoked lavender.
Yeah.
I think it just is one of my favorite things. It's either
That's-
that or the cinnamon is like the best.
Yeah. All right. Ooh, man, do you smell that already?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Wow.
I don't know, it's kind of mixed with the lavender right now. The smoke is just everywhere in my nose.
You're gonna like to smell this. All right, so we're gonna double strain this. So we have our Hawthorne strainer here and a mesh strainer. So we're just trying to get all the little particles of cucumber out of the drink. Nice, look at that.
That looks beautiful. Just look at the smoke slowly pouring over the edge like waterfall. It's just cascading.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
You should be a poet.
ChatGPT and I can be a great poet, dude.
All right, I'm gonna let you take the first sip of the, oh, we have a garnish. So what we did was we took a cucumber and we sliced it. Sorry, not sliced it, we peeled it down the length of it. And you get this nice long ribbon of cucumber. So you can either wrap that inside a tall glass, kind of spiraling up, or you can make a little serpent out of it, which is what we chose to do.
Now I see a lot of sweeter drinks when I go to trendier bars. They do like a extreme airhead sour belt right across the top too. So it's kind of like a mirroring that kind of garnish on top too. So I'm really excited to give this drink a try.
Yeah.
I know you put in all the effort. You muddled it together. I want you to try it first. You were raving about it. I know how much you love elderflower.
Fine, I do. And lavender and cucumber.
All of it, all three. Yeah. All right, let me try. If it's everything you hoped it would be and more.
This is a really good, I know you like sweet drinks, so this may not be top of your list.
Oh, that's really good, actually.
Yeah. That's
So
like,
it isn't very sweet, but I'm getting a lot of cucumber in the most refreshing way.
Yeah, I was just going to say, that's a refresher. That's like, after running a marathon, you could drink this and you'd feel healthy.
Yeah, absolutely, man. That's awesome. And I love that we smoked the glass with lavender beforehand, because as I was taking a sip, it was cucumber and it was gin right in my face, perfectly mixed together.
Yeah.
It wasn't overpowering one another. I'm not a huge fan of gin, so I think this was the perfect little even mix. But as I was taking a sip, I was getting that lavender just in the back of my nose just coming through. So it was great. It was a perfect even mix.
No, this is fantastic.
Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if you really like the elderflower drink, make sure to drop a comment. Let us know what specifically you liked about this drink. Maybe we'll recreate something in the future, so if you have any inspiration, drop that down there too. But until then, we'll see you guys next week.
Cheers.
Cheers.